The next part we will be looking at is the endocrine system, which also controls our emotion and our behavior. This has mainly to do with hormones. The endocrine system is run by hormones, which are chemical messengers which travel through the bloodstream and affect other tissues, including the brain. These hormones control things like our interest in sex, interest in food, our aggressive behavior, etc. Some are chemically identical to neurotransmitters. Endocrine messages, however, travel via the bloodstream and therefore travel more slowly than neural messages. The effects of endocrine messages linger because they're in the bloodstream. So this is why if you get upset or angry, you may have that sensation, that feeling longer after the event is over because you still have the hormones in your bloodstream. Two of the main organs that play an important role in the endocrine system are the adrenal glands, which produce things like epinephrine, norepinephrine, adrenaline, noradrenaline. This helps signal our fight or flight response when we are threatened. The other is the pituitary gland, which is the master gland. This diagram shows the major organs that make up the endocrine system. As you can see, the pituitary gland is a pea-sized structure located in the core of the brain, where it is controlled by an adjacent brain area, the hypothalamus. It is considered the master gland, and it is involved in a very intricate feedback system with the brain. The brain will send a message to the pituitary, who will then send a message to other glands that then sends hormones out into the bloodstream that affects behavior that eventually circles back to the brain. The nervous system directs endocrine secretions, which then affect the nervous system. This concludes not only the endocrine system, but the notes on 3A. As I said, I will explain the nervous system and how it works in very specific detail in class, but I wanted to give you this two-part lecture as an overview of the chapter.